Hey everyone, today we are making perfect eggless crinkle top brownies without curd and condensed milk that are so easy, even beginners will bake them easily. At the end, I will share some common mistakes and how to avoid it. My voice might sound a bit off due to a cold. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 2/3 cup powdered sugar and add 1/4 cup warm milk in it. Whisk and dissolve the sugar properly. It's an important step. You have to dilute sugar in the milk like this, otherwise our brownies won't turn out properly. Then add half a cup wheat flour, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, sift well, mix until well combined. Now add only 1 tablespoon melted ghee or butter in it. Now we add our main ingredient. Take 50 grams dark chocolate, melt it, add this chocolate into the batter and mix slowly. Don't overmix the batter after adding chocolate, else the cocoa butter will separate from it. Now pour the batter in a 6-inch square tin. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes on microwave convection mode. The key here is not to overbake, and a toothpick inserted into the center should come out with a moist crumbs, not wet batter. See, we have achieved our crinkled top. It will look even better when it cools completely. Now cut it into even pieces. And there you have it, perfect, fudgy and delicious eggless crinkle top brownies. Easy to make and baked in just 18 minutes. Now let's talk about my failed attempt. You can see cocoa butter came out from the brownies. It happened because I overmixed the batter after adding chocolate. So always add chocolate at the end to avoid overmixing. I am sharing some tips on the screen. You can easily take a screenshot of it. Don't overmix the chocolate. Always use pure chocolate for best results. You can see some more tips on the screen. Enjoy this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more easy baking recipes. Try it and you will not regret.